In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluehost domain to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Shopify to start the connection for a domain you own at Bluehost, and what to expect right after you begin the process. First, open your web browser and search for Shopify. From the results, click the official Shopify website. This ensures you land on the correct page and avoid any lookalikes. Once you're on the Shopify site, click Login. Sign into the Shopify store you want to use with your domain. It helps to double check you're in the right store if you manage more than one, since your domain will attach to the specific store you're viewing. Inside the Shopify admin, look toward the lower left corner for Settings and click it. Settings is your control center for store level configuration, so it's the right place to manage things like your domain. On the Settings page, select Domains. This is where Shopify organizes your primary domain, subdomains, and any domains you connect. Next, click Connect Existing. This option tells Shopify that you already own a domain with an external provider, in this case Bluehost, and you want Shopify to use it. In the domain field, type your Bluehost domain exactly as you want customers to see it, typically your store.com. Avoid adding HTTP, HTTPS, or extra slashes. Keep it clean and double-check spelling to prevent verification issues. Now, click Next. At this point, Shopify will run an automatic check to see if your domain's DNS is already pointing to Shopify. If everything's already aligned, you'll see that the connection can complete. If not, Shopify will display clear connection details, usually an A record for the root domain and a C name for the do version, so you know what values your domain should use. Because your domain is registered at Bluehost, you'll make any DNS adjustments from your Bluehost account. Shopify's page will show you the exact values to use, and you can keep this tab open while you prepare those changes. This is normal and part of connecting any third-party domain to Shopify. After updating DNS at your provider, it can take some time for the internet to recognize the changes. That propagation window may be quick, but it can also take up to 48 hours in some cases. A few tips to ensure a smooth setup. Enter only one A record for the root domain pointing to Shopify's IP. Make sure the use name points to the Shopify target shown on screen, and keep an eye on your domains page in Shopify for status updates. Once Shopify detects the correct DNS, your domain will appear as connected, and you can set it as your primary domain whenever you're ready.